Welcome to 2700 40th Street in North Phenix City, just off Lakewood Drive near Lakewood Golf Course. This Southern-style home sits on a beautiful corner lot with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 3,300 square feet. Pristine wood floors run throughout the main level. This home offers a floor plan which provides tons of versatility for how you and your family live. The updates are perfectly integrated with the original style and details of this home. The master's on the main level, as well as an additional bedroom. Upstairs are 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a full bath. And don't miss this awesome basement. This is 2700 40th Street in North Phenix City. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.